I bought these little lights from Amazon. They're pretty handy. They actually have a magnet that you mount to wherever you want them to hang, but they work off of motion, and also they really light up well. And I'll show you how I've used these. I put them underneath cabinets to where when you reach in, it opens, it turns on the light underneath the cabinet, and it really works well. I put them in these cabinets in the bathroom to where when I open the door and move in, they come on and they light up the cabinet inside, on the inside. And it really works very well to light up the compartment, and then they go off after a little while. As you can tell, the one on the bottom went off, but as soon as I reach in to pick something up, it turns back on. These things are pretty cheap at Amazon. You can got one down under here, to where when I reach in here to get stuff underneath the sink, it comes on. So they work real good, and I just wanted to share that with you. I also put a couple of them, just velcroed them on the sides of the steps, and I'll show you how those work. They work real good at night. They're motion detection, and I'll show you in a minute how those things work in the dark. So in the dark, when you step down, they come on and it lights up the steps as you're entering your coach. And I think they stay on probably about, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds at the most, and then they turn off. So it really lights things up. It works real well.